Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Today's mail call. Today's just a couple of bags of stuff from AliExpress, so some cheap stuff from China. Let's jump over the bench and have a look at it. Alright, well here we are on the bench. Thought I might start with this. This is spare tape for my my label maker. My label maker is this guy. It's the Brother P-Touch. This is the P-Touch D210 D210. It's a great label maker, and this is the tape that we need for it. I'll just find the ones that I've got. So these are obviously a bit different. You can tell that the font on the packaging is different, but they should be the same spec. So I'm going to try this one out next time that I reload, and if it's any good, I'll get it again. Another thing I suppose we could get out of the way quickly is all of these. I think I have a lifetime supply of DuPont cables. So let's sort them out first. So this is male to male. Not sure about that one. This is it's a mixed bag. There's lots of mixed bags. All right. Well, what's the best way to attack this? Okay, I'm gonna time lapse this one. Alright, so I've got my DuPont cables away. Thought I'd show you these next. Actually, before we do that, a little bit more time lapse. So you can see here that I got 1, 2, 3 packs of the small ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of the big ones. Now I'm just going to file this in my old scrapbook. Yes, so up next are these, 3 of the same. These are just breakout boards for integrated circuits. So you can solder an integrated circuit into the board, and then attach things to the board. So I'll just I'll time lapse this. So my label maker just ran out of tape, and that's actually quite good because it means I can test this this stuff that just arrived today to see if it's any good. Should be good, I reckon. So you just have to give it a bit of a twist like this. I'm not sure why exactly, but I did do one once where I didn't do this twisty bit, and the tape got all jammed up and I lost the whole cartridge. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, there we are. There's 6 different types of breakout boards for the SOP 8 through to the SOP 28. So I'll follow those. Just going to paste the paperwork here onto the form from earlier. And on we go. Now, I don't know really why I bought this. I don't think I understood what I was doing. This is for cooking, I think. So let's see what it says here. Get rid of that. Now this says kitchen food, baking digital thermometer, electronic probe type digital display liquid grill thermometer, color white. Okay, so this is a thermometer. Okay, and it's kept in a tube. There's some instructions there by the looks of it, and this is for sticking into food to check the temperature of it. I don't know if it comes with a battery. Oh, it does come with a battery. Okay. Alright. If we hold it, will it warm up? Yeah, it's warming up. Well, now I don't know how useful this will be to me. Now let's press the off button. It's a bit flaky. Yeah. see if we can. I don't know how to get that that paperwork out of there. Huh. It's an IQ test, and I'm failing. There we go. So this is a pretty cool little tubey tube. I'll put that in the plastic box. It says product features, temperature measurement, -50 degrees to 300 degrees Celsius, temperature accuracy 1 degree, power saving mode 10 minutes, auto power off function, power supply 1.5 volt, AG13, 1 key, on off keys, Celsius Fahrenheit key, hold key, temperature conditions in the display, press the LCD display, can be maintained at hold state, then a measurement of the recovery temperature, min max key to view the minimum and maximum. Okay, so if I press that, will it go off? I don't know. Well, I'll just stick him in the component tray. Alright, so on we go. This was a silly little thing. I really shouldn't have got this. I just thought it was kind of cute. I would be very surprised if I ever had call to actually use this thing. I'll show it to you in a second, hang on. Actually, this label will tell you what it calls itself. It's this is the 3-in-1 corner rounders, corner embossers, corner cutter, DIY photo card, business card. So you can use this to cut the corners off cards. So if we take this one and we stick it in there, and then we press down, it's supposed to cut out the corner of it. Yeah, there you go. It just takes the edge off. So yeah, and the offcut just shoots out the bottom there. So three different size holes, and it's not actually. I thought it would round the edges, but it doesn't. It just it's a 45-degree flat edge. There you go. So it's basically a hole punch. Because that's just what I needed in life, was more hole punches. Alright. Now these, I wasn't even sure what they really were, but I think they were labelled transparent sticky notes. Transparent sticky notes. So let me just cut under here. And again up here. Alright, that hasn't worked. Alright. I'll just try and salvage this. Alright. pet sticker. Well, it's just like it said. They're transparent sticky notes. Alright. Well, no point taking these out of their bags early. Put those together. That on top. Might as well just keep them there for now. That'll do. Alright. Yes. Now these are IN4001. They're surface mount diodes. IN4001. It's 1N. It's not IN. It's 1N. 1N4001. Okay. This is my 1N4001 rectifier drawer. It looks like I've only got a couple of them in through hole. So these are going to be now what I'll do, I'll just use the old component analyzer and go digging for that. Found something on there. Off. Alright, this is my peak component analyzer. We only need 2. So let's just get a reading on this one first. Test. Alright, it's a diode and the forward voltage is 0.655. Alright. How am I going to get one of these out of the case? What have I done with my tweezers? Yeah. Alright. Turn itself off. Alright. Nearly there. Alright, he's a pretty small little dude. Now, let's get these probes on if we can. Alright, and test. Oh, that's way different, isn't it? That forward voltage is 0.2. So these are not the same. Not the same at all. So let me try and get another reading. This is very frustrating. I'm gonna solder on some pins. Turn the old iron on. Careful. So let's take that out of there. So we're gonna need this is just a male-to-male DuPont. I'm just going to cut it in half. And then I'm just going to strip off a little bit of the insulation. Alright. Now, a little bit of blue tack to stick this thing in, and then a little bit of solder. Alright, see how we go. Alright, try the other side. Alright, well, just tidy up the other one a bit. That looked pretty good to me. Alright, now that we've got some leads on there, we'll give it a test again. So I'll just turn that that soldering iron off. Don't need him anymore. Okay, let's hit test and let's see what it says. It's the same. It's the same. Well, what are we going to do about that? What are we going to do about that? I'll just measure this again, but I'm not expecting it to be different. Oop. Yeah. So the forward voltage on this one is 0.6, and the forward voltage on these ones, let's just go over to the computer together and we'll see what we can find out about these diodes. Here we are on the computer, and obviously what's happened here is I got a 90 pack that has 9 different types of diodes in it, 9 different types, and there's 10 of each. So that explains that, doesn't it? And I got 3 lots of these kits, so we'll have to sort them all out. I'll jump back over to the bench and we'll get that fixed. Here on the bench, so just going to show you this. This is my high-powered microscope up the back here, and there we go. That's SS24. Have we got SS24? Gonna have to give me a moment. Okay, so sorry, over here I've got 1, 4, and 7. These are my just rectifier diodes up the back here, and I've got six lots of Schottkys. So what we're going to do is pop all of them out. And then we're going to look at them under the microscope to read the spec. And then we're going to put the bit in the appropriate Alright, well, you can see the microscope up the top there. So as we said, this is SS24. So I've got SS24, and we're just going to proceed in this fashion. SS2 something, SS24. Okay. And this is SS36. 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 Alright, well, I'm going to time lapse this. Still got more stuff to come, so let's put that out of the way. Oh, looks like I left some of the diodes out. This is let's have a quick look at that. Yeah, 1N001. Not sure what's in here. What is this? Ah, this is a soldering practice board. Okay, I don't know why it needs batteries. I don't know. Alright, soldering practice board. Soldering practice board. Electronic project kit DIY soldering. Alright. Well, I'll just chop this out. Alright. And we'll make a label. Okay. Soldering practice. Alright. There we go. I'll put him up there later. It looks like maybe I got more of them. Yes, I did. Alright, that's cool. Yep, I got 3 of them. Alright. Now, what's in here? Oh, okay, these are magnets. Okay. There we go. Alright. Well, I don't think I ordered these. I'm not sure why I've got those. Now I think these were just knife blades. Yep. Okay. Oh, that's good. They've put them in a oiled paper so that they don't rust. It's a nice touch. And there they are. Might as well put them in the thing. Oh, didn't want to do that. Oh, they're magnetic. Yeah. Alright, spare blades. Alright. Okay, these are microcontrollers, STM32G4. Alright, so I'll just make a label. STM32 G4 31 CBU6. STM32 G431 CBU6. Okay. So this is my my cutting mat. I couldn't get the A3 size because they wouldn't ship it. I guess it was too irregular of a package for them. They didn't want to ship it to me. So I have this A4 one, and I have this A2 one. So it's good. What else have we got in here? Alright, this is a bench clamp. Alright, so this is the clamp, so that gives you an indication of how it's supposed to hang together. I'm not sure what those extra bits are for, those extra orange bits. They're optional. Okay. Alright, well that's good. So we can use one or the other, or we could probably mix and match. Alright, well we're nearly there. What's this? This is more of my my boards. Those are good. These are more blades. And what about... Alright, well, we're nearly there. I just popped these magnets out, so I've got a whole heap of magnets. I've got these ones, and these two bar magnets, they go with my Sensor Robot 20, so we'll keep them there, but I'm going to put those in a box. So, let's chuck these magnets in here. And we're just going to need a label. Magnet. Alright. There's my box of magnets. I'll put him away in a second. And this is the very last thing to do. Now, these I got more of. I already had one batch of these, and I got myself another batch. They're spatulas. They're for applying like glue. You can just, they're just spatulas. So, and they're all different shapes. And I think that's everything. So I'll throw you over the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. Oh, actually, before I wrap up, I'm just going to time lapse the paper pasting that I'm going to do for this. And that's a wrap. So yeah, just a little unboxing today. I'll include the details of the equipment and the components in the show notes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.